Hi guys, good morning. It's Wednesday and katatapos ko lang din guys mag-prepare. So, since it's Wednesday, naka-uniform tayo today and yan, samahan niyo ako guys na pumunta na sa work. So, yan guys, nandito na ako sa work and for today's agenda, we will just have to encode all the sales as usual and actually, wala naman masyadong ganap today guys kasi nga yung delivery team namin is nandun sa Katarman. So, obviously, hindi naman tayo hassle today. And aside from that guys, we will also have to check the sales kung pumasok ba lahat dun sa passbook natin. And yan, that's would be my agenda for today. And shoutout nga pala dito kay Tisha kasi nga sobrang excited siya manood ng vlog ko. And sobrang thankful din ako kasi nga kahit papano may isang tao din na sobrang supportive. So, anyway guys, dyan lang muna kayo and mag-work lang muna ako. So, yan guys, still working and as what you have noticed, hindi pa naman tayo hassle today kasi nga hindi pa naman month end and wala pa namang ibang activities dito sa office. Actually guys, malapit na yung charter day pero our supervisor decided na hindi na muna gumawa ng activity kasi nga sobrang hassle din and hindi naman dadaan yung parade dito sa area namin. So, obviously, hindi na muna kami gagawa ng activity kasi we're planning talaga na maglagay ng activity which is free change oil kasi yun naman talaga usually yung activity na binibigay namin sa mga customer. So, since hindi naman kami sure kung dadaan yung parade dito sa lugar namin, we decided na hindi na muna kami mag-open ng any activities. So, anyway guys, dyan lang muna kayo and mag-work lang muna ako. So, yan guys, patapos na rin ako sa work and actually wala naman masyadong ganap today kasi after work, diretso lang din ako sa bahay. And obviously, about work na naman yung vlog na to. So, anyway guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye guys!